Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Getting your PS5 connected on campus can definitely be a challenge, as university Wi-Fi often has special security in place. It's not always as simple as just selecting the network and entering a password. But don't worry, with a few smart steps, you can get your console online and enjoy your games. We'll explore the easiest and most reliable ways to make that happen today. Before you even plug anything in, your very first step should be visiting your university's IT services website. Many campuses require you to register your specific device, like your PS5, using its MAC address, which is a unique identifier. This registration often whitelists your console for network access. Also, seriously consider using an Ethernet cable if a port is handy. It's often the simplest and most stable solution available. For a truly hassle-free experience, an Ethernet cable is often your best friend. If your dorm room has a wired network port, just connect one end to your PS5 and the other to the wall. Your PlayStation will usually detect the wired connection and configure everything automatically. This method avoids most Wi-Fi security issues and provides a much more stable online gaming experience. It's definitely the easiest option if you have it. If Wi-Fi is your only option, head to your PS5 settings, then Network, and set up Internet connection. Instead of choosing Easy, select Custom. This allows you to manually configure settings like IP address or DNS if required by your university. Many university Wi-Fi networks use enterprise-level security, which might require a unique username and password that's separate from a simple network key. This is a common hurdle, but it's manageable.
Yep.
If you're still facing connection issues after trying these steps, your university's IT help desk is your best resource. They often have specific instructions or even dedicated networks for gaming consoles. Another option some students explore is setting up a personal travel router, though check your university's policy first. Finally, always make sure your PS5 system software is fully updated, as newer updates often improve network compatibility and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.